Bonjour, dear tourism professionals. We are delighted to welcome you today for this strategic workshop dedicated to Paris region, organized with ETOA, our key partner. I take the opportunity to thank them for the partnership. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ingrid Achikian. I'm in charge of the promotion of the Paris region destination at the Regional Tourism Board. I'm really happy to be here with you today to tell you more about our beautiful destination. First of all, I would like to give you an overview of the territory and what Paris and its region can offer with the latest news. It's a destination that many of us think we know, but which also has many surprises. As you can see, the territory is large with many points of interest on 8 territories. We have the center of Paris with an unmissable site like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and around Paris, the Castle of Versailles, Fontainebleau, 2 UNESCO sites, and the Castle of Rambouillet, Vaux-le-Vicomte, and another UNESCO city, a medieval city, Provins, but also Disneyland Paris or La Vallée Village. All these destinations are within between 40 minutes or 1 hour distance from the center of Paris. The area also boasts 4 regional nature parks and 12 outdoor leisure centers. The destination is also famous for business sites like La Défense, Parc des Expositions Paris-Nord-Villepinte, and now Adidas Arena at Porte de la Chapelle, built for Olympic and Paralympic Games. The destination offers a perfect combination between cities, nature, leisure, and business. The destination is at the heart of Europe, counts 3 airports, 8 railway stations, the extension of Metro Line 14, connecting Orly Airport to the center of Paris and then to the Olympic Village is part of the Olympic Games legacy. The Paris region is the leading destination in Europe for business meetings. 25 hotels with more than 300 rooms that can host conferences of up to 2,000 people, more than 1,000 meeting rooms, museums, design venues, or historic sites. The destination organizes the equivalent of the Olympic Games every year, in terms of business and contracts. Paris region is the leading destination for business meetings and MICE. The hotel is the leading focus of tourist spend. Accommodation is often the first stage in the booking process. The region accommodation offer is one of the largest in Europe, with 2,455 hotels. The classification and regulation of the hotel offer in Paris and its region, as in France of the world, guarantees the quality that is expected by our tourists and business travelers. More than 67,000 hotels are rated 4 and 5 stars, and 12 Palaces hotels in Paris. Every year, new hotels emerge, brimming with imagination to attract clients in search of quality service and new experiences. Here is a selection for you by categories. If you are looking for a hotel to organize major events, with a new hotel H4 with 697 rooms, the reopening of Paris Marriott Rive Gauche. For exceptional events, you have, for example, the new hotel in Versailles, Hôtel Les Lumières, a 5-star hotel with Pierre Hermé Coffee. Pierre Hermé, a famous pastry chef. We have also ideas for quickie or lifestyle stays. The destination includes 300 museums, 200 exhibitions every year, 250 listed historic monuments. In 2023, the main cultural and leisure sites in Paris region welcomed more than 80 million visits, so the destination offers a truly exceptional cultural offer. Focus on the Champs-Élysées, the most beautiful avenue in the world and the heart of France during the annual July 14th parade. The Champs-Élysées symbolize fashion and luxury, with many boutiques offering unique shopping experiences. Galeries Lafayette Champs-Élysées, Louis Vuitton, and soon the opening of a new hotel. Currently, a Louis Vuitton trunk hides the construction work. The surroundings of the Champs-Élysées are also full of luxury boutiques, from essential French brands Chanel, Dior, Saint Laurent, and emerging ones like Jacquemus and luxury hotel. The end of 2024 and especially 2025 will be marked for the Paris region destination by the reopening of Notre-Dame de Paris Cathedral after 5 years of work and donation from all over the world for its reconstruction. This generosity has touched the French people and shows the attachment to this unique site, the most visited historical monument in Europe. In February, bookings to visit the cathedral will open to groups for tours starting in June. Here are the latest news of the destination. Pierre Cardin Museum, French fashion famous designer. And in 2025, the opening of a new park, a new area in Disneyland, the Frozen theme. Also, Fondation Cartier near the Louvre, Grand Palais reopened for Olympic Games, Palais de la Découverte, a science museum, and Jacques Marandré Museum, and of course, Notre-Dame de Paris. Here are the main places and monuments of Paris region not to be missed. As you know, Eiffel Tower, Musée du Louvre, Montmartre, Arc de Triomphe, and 3 UNESCO sites, Villa Savoie, the banks of the Seine, and Provins. The destination includes a lot of castles with 2 UNESCO sites. This is just a selection of a few castles, as the destination has a large number of them. Château de Monte Cristo, Château de Vincennes, Château de Saint-Germain-en-Laye, Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte, Château de Rambouillet, Château de Breteuil. Ah, yeah. Image. Okay. And the destination offers multiple choices of activities, both during the day and at night. From a cruise with bateau mouche or a tour by bus with tour bus to a cabaret, casino, or opera. Paris region is a very dynamic territory where a lot of events took place all over the year, from Maillot exhibition to incredible events like candlelight evenings at Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte, fontaine shows at Château de Versailles. The leading destination is also a land of sporting events, international sporting events, so Hermès, Tour de France, French Open Golf, Roland Garros, the international Roland Garros, and a selection of world-class sports events. In 2024, we hosted the Olympic Games. And we are waiting the World Badminton Championship and European Championship for water sport. As you all know, our destination is more than ever the capital of gastronomy. We are immensely proud that the French gastronomic meal has been listed as intangible heritage by UNESCO. The destination counts more than 35,000 restaurants with famous brasserie and wonderful restaurants in the museums. The destination is developing more and more experiences, culinary experiences, sensory activities with activities like a perfume making workshop at the Musée du Parfum Fragonard, or wine tasting experiences at Les Caves du Louvre, but also immersive experiences like Éternel Notre-Dame, a VR journey into the iconic cathedral. It's impossible to come to Paris without going shopping. Paris region offers a vibrant shopping experience, combining luxury, heritage, and modernity to captivate shoppers from all around the world. The region boasts a wide offer. The unmissable department store, La Samaritaine, Printemps, Galeries Lafayette, the outlets, and the prestigious La Vallée Village, the flea market of Saint-Ouen. Thank you for joining us today to discover the incredible treasures of Paris region. From its rich history and iconic landmarks to its vibrant culture and unforgettable experiences, Paris region truly offers something for every traveler. Before we conclude this presentation, we are excited to share with you a short film that we will take you on a journey through the heart of our region, showcasing the magic and diversity that awaits your clients. Following the film, we invite you to the workshop to meet our regional partners from the Paris region tourism industry. This is a great opportunity to explore collaboration and create tailor-made experiences for your customers. Enjoy the film and thank you for being part of our workshop for promoting the Paris region.